Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you are new to this channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can make an amazing yet very powerful hair growth treatment that you can use and grow your hair strong, long and thicker in just a short period of time. The first ingredient we have for this recipe is cinnamon powder. Here you can use cinnamon powder or cinnamon sticks. Just feel free to use any that you have. Cinnamon is beneficial for our hair. It helps to increase hair thickness, stop baldness, hair thinning, and excessive hair loss. It also helps to stimulate blood circulation to the scalp. So this is not the first time I'm using cinnamon. I have been using it. I have made a lot of videos with it. You can go and check. I have combined it with other powerful ingredients in my kitchen, and guys, it helps to grow hair faster and thicker. Another powerful ingredient we will be needing is coffee. So I'll be making use of um, instant coffee. Just use any coffee that you have. You can also use ground coffee if you have. Just feel free to use any. So also coffee is beneficial for increasing hair thickness because it contains caffeine, which is helpful for um, increasing hair density. So if you haven't yet tried coffee, just use it and see what it will do to your hair. We will also be needing onions. Guys, I have been using onions. If you've not used onions yet, I don't know what you are waiting for. Onions are very powerful and effective in increasing hair thickness, growing hair faster, treating baldness, and hair thinning. So onion is rich in sulfur, which is helpful for increasing hair thickness and also treating scalp issues such as hair thinning, baldness, and dandruff. Also, if you haven't yet tried onions, feel free to start using them. I can testify that this onion is very powerful because it helps to grow hair faster and also to fill all the bald spots that you have. So if you have hair thinning and baldness, then onion is very powerful and effective. So now I'm gonna be transferring the ingredients to a mason jar. So I will be adding cinnamon. I will add all of it. I don't know the measurement, but you can just use any amount. Do not use a lot because it is very potent. I feel like I have used a lot, but I will add more water. I don't like to throw away onions peels. As you can see, I have added them. They are very beneficial. Do not throw them away anytime you are making onion hair growth recipe. So after that, I added hot water. You guys know that if you are new to this channel, I always love to use hot water because it helps to infuse the ingredients faster. Now I'm gonna be leaving it in a dark corner for infusion process to take place. So after 12 hours of infusion, this is how it's looking like. I didn't leave it for long because I have some other things to do. So after that, I'm gonna be straining out this liquid, and I will be showing you how to use it on my hair. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. If you are new to this channel, thank you so much for your love and support and always coming to check my videos. And if you are new here, consider subscribing to this channel and also give this video a thumbs up and share it to your loved ones. So once I'm done straining out, I'm gonna be transferring to an applicator bottle so I can go ahead and show you guys how I use it on my hair. So I'm going to apply this on my hair before I apply, I'm going to take down each twist at a time. My hair is really tangled, so first I'm gonna unravel the twist and then I finger detangle a little bit and then I apply this starting from the scalp, moving towards the ends. I make sure that I saturate each section with treatment. I also like to finger detangle my hair carefully in order to avoid unnecessary breakage. So once I'm done with that section, I always like to retwist each section back, and then I'm going to repeat the same process as I proceed to the other sections of my hair. How I'm going to use this today, I will be using it as a leave-in. So I'm almost washed my hair a few days to come, so I'm just using it as a leave-in despite it has onions. um onion smells really bad, but I will just leave it on my hair. You can use this as a leave-in or as a rinse out if you are not okay with onion smell. So once you apply this, you can cover it with a shower cap for at least 30 to 45 minutes or 1 hour, and then you can go ahead and rinse your hair with just lukewarm water or a conditioner. So once I'm done applying this, because I will leave it as a leave-in, I will just follow up by applying my leave-in conditioner, and then I will seal in and lock that moisture with hair butter or oil. Do not skip this step if you are deciding to use leave-in sprays and if you're not going to wash them out. Using this spray on your scalp and hair at least 2 to 3 times a week is going to increase hair in thickness. If you have bald spots, apply it on your bald areas and take time to massage it so it can penetrate to the scalp. Once you apply, follow up with your moisturizer if you are going to use it as a leave-in. So we are almost coming to the end of this video. Thank you so much guys for watching and for your time. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if so, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet subscribed, and also share the video to your loved ones, family and friends, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.